Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be discussing about the topic Prepare Weld Materials. In this topic, it includes preparation of base metal using a grinder or an angular grinder. So today, I'll be discussing or I will give you the objectives of this topic. First, at the end of the lesson or discussion, the learners or the trainees should perform grinding process as well as observe safety precaution in grinding process, and last is to identify the purpose or uses of grinding process or grinder. Now, I'm going to present you the materials, tool, and equipment needed in this topic. So let's start with the materials. So we have grinding disc and base metal. Next, for the tool that we need is a grinder wrench. This wrench is intended for grinding process or for the grinder. And then also, we also need a grinder. And of course, the most important is the PPE, the set of PPE. So we have the apron, the safety shoes, the ear muffs, and the goggles. Okay class, let's proceed to assembling of a grinder. So for the beginners, if you're not familiar on how to assemble the grinder, you need to use a manual or a tool manual in assembling this equipment or this tool rather. In assembling the grinder, first we have to press the spindle locking button here in order to loosen the threaded lock washer. Okay, this is the threaded lock washer. Then this one is what we call mounting washer. And then second, place the grinding disc, then put the threaded lock washer. And you can use the grinding wrench to fasten the threaded lock washer. Okay, we are already done with assembling the grinding disc to the grinder. Next is to attach this auxiliary handle to the grinder. Take note, if you are left-handed, use the left side, and if you are right-handed, then use the right side. Finally, we are already done in assembling the grinder. And now I will show you how to use a grinder. Again, always remember safety first. A friendly reminders. In this task, we're going to use a construction glove, and then you have to remember that your glove or gloves are well fitted to your hands in order to avoid an accident. Thus, do not use loose gloves or welding gloves so that you can avoid a sudden falling of your grinder. Class, we are ready to perform. In grinding process, we have to use bench vise to hold our base metal. In grinding process, we have to consider the hand manipulation or the direction of your hands during the grinding process. It should be or it must be in one direction only. The grinder must be properly handled by the welder or by the student to avoid accidents or to avoid falling off grinder. This will be the finished output of our task for today. As you can see, the large amount of rust has been removed. Kaya naman maraming salamat sa mga viewers natin na nanood at nag-aabang sa mga susunod na video. Lubos kami nagpapasalamat sa pagtangkilik nyo. At doon para naman sa mga bagong viewers natin, huwag nyo kalimutan i-subscribe at i-like ang mga videos po namin para matabayanan nyo ang mga susunod na videos. At yun lamang po, hanggang sa muli mga kaba.